See how that works?
Yeah.
And then usually there's going to be one that you can't see or something like that.
What's wrong with you?
But I don't see anymore. What'd you say?
Nothing. Wasn't.
How do you know when you need to change it?
They usually tell you. Now open that up and make sure we got the same filter. That's what I'm saying. You go get an oil change and they'll be like, yeah, you need to we need to put a new air filter in. It'll be $50 or whatever. Anyway, the other way you tell is if you just look at that.
Yeah.
Okay.
But that one's red and this one is orange.
Put that in.
What's the purpose of an air filter?
To
Filters
filter
the
the air.
Like air conditioning?
No, like air. So you're not inhaling exhaust stuff,
Okay.
maybe?
No, it's because the air is sent to the engine for combustion, right?
Oh, it's, yeah, because it's like a pollutant.
Okay.
How
So
do you just-
anyway, to ignite the fuel that is sent to your engine, right? You need the spark, which the spark plug provides, and you need air because it has oxygen, and that's part of what you need for combustion. Anyway, the air that you're sending to your engine for this very necessary step needs to be clean air, right? You don't want to
Is that what we have the air
Air filter.
purifier?
air filter.
So, how do you dispose of the old air filter?
Throw it in the garbage.
Non-recyclable?
No. Anyway, so you just got to make sure it's fitting on there, and then you reclip. And you probably just save $50.
Voila.
And now you owe Dad $50.
That's it. It is that easy.